I'm Nadia Fairfax. Today we're filming the mega unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus. So I've called in a bunch of friends to help. Deb!
Nadia, how are you?
While we're here, should we get some shots?
Yeah, let's do it. My phone's actually running out of battery.
Don't worry, Demas, we've got PowerShare. PowerShare is incredible. I just love the fact that at the end of the night, if my friends are stuck without battery, I can help them.
The S10 Plus has a pro-grade camera. It's got 3 lenses at the back and 2 lenses at the front, so it's just like so many options when you're out there shooting. Comparing the Note 9 and the S10, I think the RAWs come out a bit cleaner and it just feels more professional. It's probably the best smartphone camera that I've ever used.
Today we use 4K at 60 frames, and I also used the built-in stabilizer, which was actually really powerful. Really short, fast, sharp clips, and didn't have to use an external stabilizer at all, which was really good. I also used the ultra-wide lens, and that was really awesome to get a different perspective. I got really low to the floor.
Toes are perfect.
Yeah, toe point on point.
I love the camera features, especially video, because I haven't done a lot of video, so just seeing the colours and how crisp everything is, it's been really cool.
This morning we were really keen to test out video. The wide angle and the tele lens allows you to capture different angles, almost like you're using different cameras all in one.
We're going to be doing a huge chalk piece on the ground. We used the widescreen camera, which meant that he could get the entirety of the mural, which is really great because it was big.
We utilised the wide angle lens, capturing what Sha'an was doing from above, so top down, which is very similar to my style of shooting, which I loved.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Sha'an.
This is your Galaxy S10 Plus.
What? Awesome. Do you want to go play with it?
Yeah.
Sweet. You can pretty much trigger the photo by holding up your palm. We've framed it up quite well, but you now have 2 different fields of view in here, so that works fine.
Yeah. Perfect.
The Galaxy S10 Plus has up to 1 terabyte of internal storage.
Hey, Liz.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
I've got a present for you. This is the brand new Galaxy S10 Plus.
Amazing, I can't wait to try it.
So, in this camera mode, there's a new one called Instagram mode. You can take a photo, post it straight to your Instagram story, and this is much better quality, and it's all in the same app pretty much.
Yeah, that's awesome. Today I am basically taking some self-portraits with Kristy. I want to use the front-facing camera with the 2 different lenses and frame up a really nice shot for my Instagram feed. So I'm just going to set up my tripod and phone and show you exactly how this works. You can choose between either the standard camera, or there's actually a wide angle, which is really good because then you can fit more people in. That's pretty cute.
That one's really cute.
Before I head off, do you mind if I grab some power?
Of course. So handy.
I know, it's so good.